let's go for a ride. Damn it. Hey, Happy New Year. Okay, so quick story. It's January 2nd, right? So we had a good New Year's, just hung out, watched movies and played some games and celebrated. There was a lot of fireworks around here, good stuff. On the 1st, Sylvia decided to go down to the river, take a walk. So she took off in the car, and then I was taking down Christmas decorations and got a call from her, and the car wouldn't start. So good news for the first day of the year. We had our glitch for the year. Looks like it's the battery. So today I'm going to change out the battery on the car. So we're probably going to need an 8mm, maybe a 9, for sure a 10. We'll take the 11 too, just in case. Now I don't have a garage, so it's just parked out front. So we're going to try to turn it on and see if it kicks over. If not, we'll well, probably needs a new battery anyway, so we'll just go get that. So what else do we need? We'll need a ratchet, maybe an extension. Let's take the long one and the shorter one, and shouldn't need a universal. It's not deep. Pretty easy to change out a battery, right? And oh, and a big hammer. Looks like I need a 12mm for this. Nope, it's going to be a 13. It is a 13. It is a 13. Try that. Don't lose your nuts. That's our plan. Okay. Dead battery out.
The only problem with the cold is it's so hard to breathe without fogging everything up. Really hate that. Sometimes I like to push it out to the street. Looking good. I gotta check engine light on this thing. That sounded a little funny, didn't it? Let's go. January 2nd, 2021. Ooh, that's cold. Took my breath away. So like I said in the video, Sylvia took the car out yesterday. It was having a hard time starting anyway. And she got to the park. She went and had a walk. Got out for a few minutes. And then she called me while I was taking down Christmas decorations and told me the car wouldn't start. So hopped on my bike, went over there, And sure enough, dead battery as far as I could tell. And so I had Jesse come over to the park. He brought some jumper cables and we got it started, but it definitely needs a new battery. So took it out, put it in the saddlebag. Let's go to the zone, AutoZone, because they always have what I need. But we're not going the short way because there's one right by my house. I want to ride. Even though it's freezing cold out here. 34 degrees it said when I left the house. I always look at the temperature and I go, oh man, it's cold. Oh, I want to ride. Oh man, it's cold. Oh, I want to ride. And then by the time I get out here like this, I'm like, okay, that's not that big of a deal. Of course I got a leather jacket on. My hands are freezing, but there's solutions for that. If you have any recommendations of gloves that are good in the cold, put them in the comments. Whoops, missed second. All the papers flying out of the back of that truck. Never know what you're going to see out here. Maybe we'll go up a little ways and then turn around. See, there's the AutoZone right there. One of them. Okay, watch for traffic. Bumpy ride. I don't know if you can see those mountains over there. There's a little bit of haze in the valley today. But clear over there, those Ochre Mountains. Got snow all over the top of them. Glad there's no snow right here right now. Carry this damn battery. And don't park in oil. We got in the zone. Yeah, that check engine light's concerning me. Hi, Cece. Ooh, who's a good girl? Ooh, who's a good girl? I fixed the car. It's nighttime now. It's dark, and then Sylvia and I went up the mountain. Took it for a drive up the mountain and saw this cool waterfall. I want to tell you, I like things that go zoom, vroom, and boom. And what you get with SpaceX is a lot of boom and a lot of zoom. There's a lot of thrust in those rockets, and there's a lot of horsepower on the motorcycle. And I like that stuff. It's fun and exhilarating and all that. SpaceX right now has SN9, their serial number 9, out on the test pad. They've done cryo tests on it, so it's when they pressurize it with, I think, nitrogen, it gets all frosty on the outside, and it's really cool to watch that. They were doing some thruster testings and things. This week they're supposed to do a test fire just to test the engines, and maybe this week they'll do another flight, and they'll fly it up really high and try to land it without the boom this time. Although the SN8 boom was actually pretty cool. Nobody wants to watch a fat guy on YouTube talking about motorcycles, but maybe a thin guy on YouTube talking about motorcycles would be better. Yeah! Messing around out in the shop is always fun.